So we got hot water, one cups, cinnamon stick, star sense right here, we're gonna put some cinnamon powder of about quarter teaspoon. Okay, so this is the banana peel. I'm going to put it inside of it. All right, I'm going to boil up this. Lovely. Yeah, so you can see. So we got the banana peel and cinnamon. So got some star incense right here. Yeah, lots of people don't know about this recipe. Not only that, the benefit is awesome, right? But what I know for sure, it is very powerful and it's very effective to help you to sleep. Make your doze off a little bit more quicker and your regular sleep or you normally do in your pattern. So you can use ripe banana peel, or you can use it on the banana same time. You don't have to throw away the skin, guys. You can just make a cup of banana tea. It's got a whole heap of benefit. I'm not gonna talk all of these things online, okay? But it's got a lot of benefits. Okay, you're gonna have to be careful. All right, you can also do a little bit of research for yourself. All right, the cinnamon and the cinnamon stick and powder, banana peel, and you're good to go. Give it a boil, drink the liquid. Look at that. Make sure you wash your banana very good. Yeah, very powerful cup of tea if you're looking for something to drink before you go to bed. Yeah, this one works really well. Yeah. Okay, Mary, okay, you're gonna, yeah, definitely. You will love it. You just only have to try. See? Nice one. Just make sure you wash your banana peel. Very good. Lovely. So I turn off the cooker. Take it off the heat. Yeah, very. Guys, this is not only just a cup of tea to drink, it is more than a cup of tea. But many people don't understand it, and you don't want to talk certain things. So you're gonna have to be careful. Excellent. Yeah. Cinnamon stick. Wow. Powerful. Cup of tea. Could I add some cloves into it? Yes, you can add cloves if you like to. 100%. It's spiced same way. You can add some cloves. And if you like, you can add some good honey inside of it. All right. Yeah, honey. Remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipe to Success. It is available on Amazon right now to buy. All right. This is the hardcover. Get yourself one and support. Here it is. Now, you don't have to drink so many. You can just drink roughly about, this is like 2 cups right here. All right. Now you can also drink it as a detoxing drink when you cool it down. All right. Beautiful one, people. So enjoy the recipe and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend.